Hey, we're headed to Bolinao today for a family reunion and birthday. It's a 4.5-hour trip and it should be fun.
My sister made the reservation in the Seaview Resort.
Hey, Rea's sis rented 3 suites and a nipa hut. A nipa hut's a little tiny room, and she rented it just for Rea and I. Well, Rea, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I think we're gonna go in the market and gonna visit the church.
That's the old church, right? That's the old Catholic church?
I think so.
Well, we will research it and find out about it before we go. That way it'll be more interesting to us.
Yeah, we should.
Hey, the ocean looks really nice. I sure am interested in seeing the high tide here. I think that's later tonight, maybe at 8 o'clock or so.
I think there's 3 parts on the ocean. They have high tide, normal, and a low tide.
I think people know that. Hey, be sure and watch part 2 of our Bolinao trip. We're going to go to the market and we're going to go to the old Catholic church. So catch part 2 next.